Hey guys, happy Vlogmas! And this is Vlogmas Day 2. How you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. This is Natural Afton. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I dye my hair in purple. And I'm going to use a hair wax. It's not a dye, guy, it's a wax. It can come out very easy. I bought about 3 different colors, so every week you guys can see like a different hair color from me. Alright? So if you're new to my channel, I want to ask you guys to please subscribe to my channel. Pretty please. And please watch my entire video. I would really appreciate it. Alright? And also want to ask you guys to give my video a thumbs up. Give the video a thumbs up and subscribe. Alright? Subscribe. So I just finished my everyday makeup routine in my previous video, so I will leave that link in the description box down below, or I'll leave it in the iCard above. Alright guys, so let me just show you how I'm going to dye my hair. So I have my hair in one right now, so I'm going to loose it out. I have it in a pony. So, trying to be Beyonce. So the first thing you have to do, guys, but I already did this off camera, is wet your hair. But don't wet it wet. Probably wet it like about 60% wetness in your hair. So you see my hair, it's not all of that wet. So I'm just gonna comb it out a little bit for you guys. I'm going to take out the hair wax out of the box so you guys can see it properly. So this is how it's looking, guys. It's purple. I also have blue, and I have gold, but I want to also go and buy the red and the green. Yeah, it's going to be so good. So every time I wear an outfit, I can dye my hair whatever color I want to match my outfit. My god, the hair is on my lips. Anyway guys, I'm gonna open this here. Let me see, I'm gonna get this open. Let's see if I can take the comb and ooh, see, it's already purple. So I'm going to rip this bad boy open, just like this. And you don't have to worry, guys, you don't have to use a gloves because this can wash off very easily. So, but if you want, you can use a gloves. It's up to you. So look how it's looking, guys. It's purple, it's so rich. It looks so eatable, huh? I wish I could eat it. So off camera, guys, I wet my hair, and you have to make sure that you moisturize your hair well, okay? I wet my hair and I put in this curly cream in it. The African, oh gosh, you can't even see, African Pride curly cream. And I also put in a Super Shine Hair Silk, and this is the Cantu. Yeah. So those are the 2 things I put in my hair alongside with the water as well, alright? Guys, look at my hair, so long. Wow. I have long hair. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to part my hair in 4 again. Don't mind my gray hair, guys. Don't mind my gray hair. So I'm going to part my hair in 4, just like the last time. Just wrap it around just like this. Okay, I'm gonna time lapse it now. Alright guys, let me just do the back, comb it out. Or I'm just gonna leave it, man. Yeah, just leave it, just like that. So, because it's just one more I basically have to do. Yes. Guys, guys, do you know what time is it right now? My face is full of makeup, and now is 3:32 a.m. I know. And I'm doing my hair, and I did my makeup, and I did my makeup video. The reason why I choose, because it's gonna be every day I will be uploading videos for you guys on this channel and on the other channel. So I want to, you know, but I want to make sure that that happens basically. So if I gotta wake up early to do it, 3 hours in the morning, so be it. I'm gonna do it. And also, it's peace and quiet right now, you know. The baby's not up, and he's not gonna be making noise in the video. So that's one good thing. So this is my hair, like this here, guys. So I'm gonna take the wax like this and just put it in my hair. Make sure you get all over. And then you're gonna part again. And then you're gonna put it all over. You see the hair color done coming through. Whoa. Oh my God. When I go on the road tomorrow, people gonna be like, "Gal, how you do with a purple head, gal?" Man be like, "Mind your own goddamn business. You wish your hair could have been purple. You wish your hair could have looked good, just like my own." And then you're gonna take the ends, because you want it at the end as well too, right guys? Yes, we want it at the end as well. And then you're gonna take the comb and you're just gonna comb through it. Oh my God, look how it's looking already, guys. And I'm gonna put some here. Yes, you're gonna be so good. I'm gonna look good. Everybody is staring at me when I got it down. Yeah. Oopsie. I don't care. And then you're gonna take the front here as well. And you're gonna put your dye in front. And then you're gonna put some here as well. Alright, so this is how it's looking, guys. My purple hair, my purple hair, my purple hair. Oh God, it looks so good. So good. Looks good. Yes. Let me get a little bit more there. Yes. It's looking so good to me. Alright, I'm gonna do the back now. Do 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 do. And you're gonna take it out piece, but I really can't see. So I'm gonna try my best to make sure I get all over the back of it here. I'll try my best to get it all over. And because you know, your girl ain't got the eye behind her bed, so I'm just guessing. Alright. And me even really care about the back, as long as the front show good. I only care about the front, not the back. Alright guys, I am loving this hair color. I really need to go get the green and the red. Yeah. And then I'm gonna comb it through. I'm gonna put some here. Perfect. So I'm just gonna tie this up just like this, and I'm going to time lapse and do the other side. All right guys, so I'm gonna time lapse it now. All right guys, so I finished putting the purple wax all over my head. So I'm going to do some of this one here. Look how it's looking, guys. Tell me, do you guys like it? I'm loving it. Yay! I am loving it. So you can take your hands now and you're just going to, you know, comb out. And you gotta leave it for a bit to dry. You know, you gotta leave it let dry a little bit. And when it dry, then you'll see how it's looking. Use my comb instead. I am loving this purple, guys. I am loving it. Loving it. It's looking so good. Alright, guys. So I'm gonna wash my hands out now. And guys, as you can see here, I just washed my hands and you see all of the dye came off. Oh, let me just dry my hands here. So you could either use the dye, you could either use a gloves or you could use your bare hands. It's not gonna stain, okay? Even on your clothes, it's not gonna stain either. So you don't have to worry about that. Alrighty. So let me just cover this. And this could last, this is how much I use for this. So this could probably last you about 4 times. Yeah, 4 times you can dye your hair with this. And if you guys want to know how much I pay for this, I pay $2,000, and in US it's going to be like $10 for it. It's all right and on here. And it's not a permanent dye, guy. It's a wax. It feels just like a wax. All right, and wash out easily. Only thing now is like you gotta wait till your hair dry, because I'm feeling so tired right now and I want to go sleep. But then I realized, girl, you can't go sleep because your hair wet and it got the wax in it. It will mess up the pillow. So I probably gotta wait till I'm gonna run around right in the house right now and get this hair to dry. I probably might go in front of the fan and get this to dry, cause I wanna sleep, because I gotta get up early in the morning. Cause my babies wake me up around 5:45, 6 o'clock. He would wake up, come off the bed, and bring a empty bowl and give me. They mean that he's hungry and he needs something to eat. And I just gotta get up. If not, whew, tantrum is gonna take place. So you girl just gotta get up. Anyway, guys, I'll be back in half an hour. I'm gonna let it dry a little bit more. I'll be back in half an hour. Take out my thumbnail and go sleep, because I'll wake up 6 o'clock, and I just take out my fish out of the fridge too, because today I'm gonna cook some Guyanese fish curry with green mango and some delicious coconut milk. So if you guys want to see that video or any cooking video for me, you guys need to go on my cooking channel. It's called Cooking with Afton. I will also leave that link in the description box down below. Alright guys, so see you in half an hour. Let me just try and get this here to dry, because your girl wants to sleep. Now's the time. 10 to 4. So basically I just got, oh my god, barely get the hour sleep alone. So I'll be making 3 videos today. Woohoo! Alright guys, see you in half an hour. Alright guys, I'm back. Guys, I'm literally sitting in this chair and sleeping. Me tired, guys. Me tired. So what we gonna do, I gotta take out my thumbnail. Hopefully you guys can see the purple. If not, I can just take out another set of picture in the morning. But I'm gonna put a plastic bag over my head and sleep. At least get my hour sleep before terror man wake up. Oh my gosh, my eyes are burning. My eyes are burning, guys, but I'm happy that at least get to do 2 videos. And my previous video I just did was the simple everyday makeup routine. This is the makeup that I have on right now, so you guys should go and watch that video as well. I think I'm gonna upload both videos today because today is already the 2nd of December, which I didn't get uploaded yesterday, but I upload 2 videos today, so you guys gonna watch my everyday makeup routine and my dye my hair purple. All right, and I want to ask you guys to, if you're interested in cooking, you guys can go check out my cooking channel. I will leave that link in the description box down below. Guys, my eyes are literally closing down. Oh my god. Alright guys, so if you're new to the channel, subscribe. I don't even know what I'm saying because I'm so tired. Alright guys, bye. See you tomorrow. Bye guys.